All eyes are on the Oregon State Hospital after federal investigators put together a report looking at things like capacity and conditions for patients. But there's some concern after that report exposed some problematic behavior between patients and even with staff members. A KEZI 9 News reporter Joey Vaca joins us live in the studio to go over the report and some of those really shocking findings.
Yeah, that's right, Matt. Shocking is one word, but another is concerning. The federal investigators report is 102 pages long, and the big takeaway, the hospital was not providing safe and appropriate care. Investigators from the Federal Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services spent about 2 weeks at the OSH main campus in Salem. That was back in March, and their report says cases of patient abuse and neglect weren't identified or investigated in a complete and clear way, and OSH was not taking steps to make sure they didn't happen again. There was also evidence of ongoing violence between patients, in some cases sending patients to the emergency room. The report also says staff members handed out condoms to patients and sexual assaults occurred inside the hospital, but sexual conduct is not supposed to be allowed at OSH. The report says the hospital didn't ensure patients' rights to provision of care in a safe setting, to freedom from all forms of abuse and neglect, and to prompt and appropriate responses to grievances. The report also says those failures resulted in actual and potential physical and psychological harm to patients. Last week, Governor Tina Kotek was asked about the report, saying that patients were given condoms. She said it was news to her. And coming up on KEZI 9 News at 6, you'll hear what the governor's plans are after hearing about the conditions in the state hospital. Reporting live in the studio, Joey Vaca, KEZI 9 News.